Bloomberg Audio Studios. Podcasts, radio, news.
The Stock Movers Report, your roundup of companies making moves in the stock market, harnessing the power of Bloomberg data.
Let's take a look at some stocks on the move today. I'm Tom Keene with Paul Sweeney and Bloomberg's with Lisa Mateo. They've really been successful. They've got a couple of them during the day, but Lisa's is best.
Oh, sure.
What do you have?
All right, we're starting the travel sector, okay? Expedia, ticker EXPE. Their shares have been up as much as 15%. They also own Hotels.com, Vrbo, so keep that in mind. They say travel is back, continuing into the holiday quarter. Raise their full-year outlook, resilient travel demand, third quarter results exceeded expectations, and a beat on adjusted earnings per share gross bookings. What's interesting is that they said demand for rooms, they rose in both higher and lower end markets. So basically the wealthy and budget conscious consumers, they're both still looking to travel. The CFO said they're not seeing an impact from the shutdown yet, but they're keeping an eye on it just in case. But we've heard this. We had a strong report from Booking Holdings last week. Airbnb had some good news yesterday too. So it looks like travel is a good spot to be in right now.
We use Vrbo for the ski trip for the dude ski trip
Vrbo.
for the. We need to get the condo at some ski resort.
Those ads are like perfect families in perfect settings.
Yeah.
Is that the way the Sweeneys roll?
Well, I don't know, just a bunch of old guys from Summit, New Jersey skiing.
You sit there, you sit there with the beverages, you're churching your hand, Lisa. You're looking at the TV going, that's not my family.
I know. We'd be
They're all
making it a mess.
smiling.
They'd be on their little gadgets.
Yeah.
Exactly. Put that down. Do you know what I'm spending on this trip next?
Let's go to salad chain Sweetgreen, okay? Their shares are taking a hit, down 15%. A few things, problems. Cut its full year outlook. Third quarter results worsened. It's now posted 3 consecutive quarters of contraction of same store sales, the biggest decline in the third quarter. Its largest loss per share since 2022. So because of all this, it's scaling back plans to open new stores. It wanted to, but it's not.
Do you go there?
I've been there once. I learned the term protein there for the first time. This is probably 5 years ago.
Because they asked.
They asked for protein. What do you want for your protein? What? I mean, can I have some chicken on that?
It's fresh, plant-forward, earth-friendly food.
Yep.
Yes.
We go to surveillance gluten-free correspondent. Do you go to Sweetgreen?
We have a different one called Chopped. It's kind of like the same thing, but they're a little pricey. They are pricey. I have to be honest.
I'm gonna get my salad today.
It's almost $20
from the LA Gourmet on 58th Street, the little deli. So $15.
Yeah, it is a little. And then
$15
you put extra
for a
stuff on
salad?
it.
And it was $10 pre-pandemic because that was my cheap meal of the week. Now it's less cheap.
This is news you can use. This is better than Troy Gayeski.
Yeah, I get a salad.
Well, it's
on Friday.
fast casual. They're kind of suffering.
Oh, okay.
Chipotle, Cava, same thing. They're not doing as well.
The next name is right down my alley. Any questions you have? Here we go.
Where people are going, it's for the cheaper option like Wendy's.
There you go.
Wendy's, ticker WEN. Their shares have been higher, up as much as 7%. So it looks like fast food is doing better. People are looking for deals. Their sales beat estimates, declining less than expected. They're looking for discounted meals. The company's still looking for a CEO, which is interesting. Kirk Tanner had left, so they have an interim CEO, Ken Cook. He's kind of pulling double duty, CFO and COO at the same time.
Do you know that a Wendy's double Baconator?
Oh, boy.
Cy in the control room. It's like one a day.
I know.
Okay, a double Baconator is 960 calories.
There you go.
But what's the price of
That's
it?
like
See,
double Lisa's intake all day. I mean,
It is.
That's some serious protein
That was
right there.
some serious journalism there. Seguin from
From Sweetgreen to Wendy's?
over to Wendy's. That's great.
Yes.
Where are you going next?
Ozempic. No, I'm just kidding. We're going to Jack Dorsey's Block, okay? It's ticker XYZ. Their shares are taking a hit, down as much as 15%, actually. The fintech company, right? Raised its full year profit forecast, posted strong growth consumer banking. But the thing is, its third quarter revenues fell short. That's why their shares are lower. The third time Block, has adjusted guidance this year, and they stumbled back in May after it reduced its guidance.
The Stock Movers Report from Bloomberg Radio. Check back with us throughout the day for the latest roundup of companies making news on Wall Street. And for the latest market-moving headlines, listen to Bloomberg Radio live. Catch us on YouTube, Bloomberg.com, and on Apple CarPlay and Android Auto with the Bloomberg Business app.